Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Jean Grey, also known as Phoenix, is a powerful duelist in Marvel Rivals, combining telepathic and telekinetic abilities with fiery attacks. Her primary attack, Cosmic Flames, launches projectiles that apply spark stacks. When an enemy accumulates 3 spark stacks, a fiery explosion occurs, damaging them and nearby foes, while also providing Jean with a small amount of self-healing. She also has telepathic illusion for quick repositioning and creating an explosive decoy. For offensive pressure, Jean Grey utilizes her telekinesis burst. This ability marks a targeted area, unleashing a series of 3 fiery explosions. The initial blast stuns enemies for a short period, while the following 2 explosions apply a 30% slow for 2 seconds. This makes it excellent for controlling groups, disrupting enemy pushes, and setting up eliminations for your team. Jean Grey's mobility is key to her effectiveness. Her Dark Ascent ability allows her to merge with the Phoenix Force, granting free flight and a significant movement boost for a few seconds. While flying, her primary ammunition is continuously replenished, allowing for sustained attacks. This skill is perfect for gaining advantageous high ground positions, flanking enemies, or making a swift escape when under pressure. Jean Grey's ultimate ability, Ensong Inferno, is a game changer. She soars into the sky as the Phoenix, then crashes down onto a chosen area, dealing massive damage. This impact creates a powerful shockwave that destroys enemy summons, shields, and any bonus health, clearing the battlefield for your team. Upon landing, she also receives 250 points of self-healing, making her resilient after this impactful ability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.